Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to another episode of Mid-Atlantic Misfit TV. I'm your Mid-Atlantic mouthpiece, Thomas Roberts, and this episode is brought to you by Pure Pro Wrestling, where you will see the Yela Man in singles competition against Killswitch, live in Rocky Mount, Virginia, at the YMCA. Referee Bobby Gardner, the official in this matchup. This is the second meeting between Yela Man and Killswitch. Yela Man, big fan favorite in Rocky Mount, Virginia. Killswitch, a bit of a newcomer. He's looking to make a name for himself here in Pure Pro Wrestling against the Yela Man. Killswitch pacing. This match is underway. Yela Man getting the fans on his side. Collar elbow tie up. Yela Man and Killswitch. Killswitch takes the wrist. Oh. And he cranks it. Yela Man with the reversal. Killswitch known for more of his brawler style, but he said he's here to wrestle, out-wrestle, and defeat the Yela Man. Yela Man cranks that wrist lock. Killswitch back with the reversal. Now he has that arm bar in. He cranks it one more time. Yela Man rolls through. Kip up. Arm drag. Another arm drag. Killswitch throws the line. Yela Man with a huge drop kick. Taking Killswitch off his feet. Yela Man trying to work that crowd. He's going out after Killswitch. Killswitch, I think he's seen Yela Man coming and just slides in. Yela Man goes for the big clothesline. They both hit the ropes, and Killswitch cuts Yela Man in half with a spear. 1, 2. Killswitch choking Yela Man. Now this is the Killswitch I know. Ground and pound. Brawler style. Yela Man, a bit of a brawler himself, firing back on Killswitch. Killswitch cuts him off with a knee. Nice snap suplex. Goes for the cover. Yela Man kicks out. Killswitch using his boot to ram Yela Man's face into the mat. Clubbing him with the forearm. Killswitch choking Yela Man in a corner. He better stay on the Yela Man. He's taking too much time taunting the fans. What's Killswitch doing? Oh, he gave Yela Man a chance to get a second win, and Yela Man capitalizing. Saying, you want to take up your shirt, I'll show you. Knife edge chop. Fans signaling for one more. Another knife edge chop by the Yela Man, followed up by a snapmare. Kicks him right in the face. Goes for the cover. 1, 2. Killswitch kicks at 2. Yela Man trying to keep these fans behind him. Killswitch rakes his eyes. Scoops him up. Big body slam. Killswitch into the submission hold. Gets Yela Man's shoulders on the mat. Yela Man rolls him up. Nicely done. Break the submission hold. Both of these men down. Yela Man strikes. Killswitch. Yela Man and Killswitch trading blows. Yela Man with that sleeper hold. Both of these men, BWC students. Killswitch with a submission hold of his own. Yela Man appears to be fading. If his hand drops 3 times, this matchup is over with. Yela Man getting some steam here. Oh, jawbreaker here for Pure Pro Wrestling, live in Rocky Mount, Virginia, with a clothesline. Oh, just knocks him into the corner. Killswitch gets back to his feet. Yela Man with the missile drop kick. Slides him in the middle, goes for a cover. Killswitch kicks at 2. Yela Man signaling for the finish. Signaling for that street sweeper. Killswitch shoves Bobby G down in the middle of the street sweeper. Yela Man has his match won. Bobby G shoved to the mat. 1, 2. Killswitch kicks at 2. I think Bobby G appeared to bite his lip or something. Seems to be in some pain. Yela Man frustrated, shoving Bobby G. Bobby G's mouth's in some pain, but Killswitch pulls a chain out of his tights and clocks Yela Man. 1, 2, 3, and Killswitch steals a victory in Rocky Mount, Virginia for Pure Pro Wrestling. Ladies and gentlemen, I am Thomas Roberts, and this is Mid-Atlantic Misfit TV.